Haste?
Haste Haste, yep, that's an original. I wrote it last year sometime. It was like, I was running out the door and then I was like, wait, I need my creative moment today. So I picked up the guitar and I just sang what my heart was feeling. And the song was created in about 5 minutes and it's really a prayer song. So, yeah, it's called Haste Haste.
Thanks, Jen. And you're on Facebook and you have, where's your music at?
It's on www.facebook.com/Jennifer Dietz Music.
Jennifer Dietz Music? Okay, thank you. God bless you.